Another common input type that the Modbus slave devices use is called analog inputs. An analog input is a type of input used in industrial automation and control systems to measure continuous signals. These signals can represent a wide range of physical variables, such as temperature, pressure, flow, or voltage. Unlike digital inputs, which can only detect discrete on or off states, analog inputs can capture a spectrum of values within a defined range. For example, an analog input might read a temperature sensor that outputs a voltage proportional to the temperature it measures. The analog input converts this voltage into a digital value that the control system can use to monitor and regulate processes. This allows for precise control and monitoring of various parameters in real time. In Modbus RTU, the memory area where analog input values are placed is called analog input registers. The data acquired from the analog input is converted into a numeric value within the target range and placed in memory at the corresponding address. The value is updated continually as the input value changes. The Modbus master reads this value by requesting the value of the relevant memory address. Please note how the value of the given address is updated by the slave device as the input voltage changes over time. In Modbus RTU, analog input registers are identified by both a number and a memory address. These registers start at an offset of 30,000, meaning the first register is numbered 30,001. Each register number corresponds to a specific address. For example, analog input register 30,001 has the address 0. It's important to note the range of these numbers and their corresponding addresses. Since these are input values, they are read-only, meaning we cannot change their values. You can use our free Modbus RTU emulator software to practice your Modbus skills. The details are in the description. Please like and subscribe if you have learned something. In the next video, we will learn how to read and write digital outputs.